Yes, we are studying about molecular orbital theory and assumptions. Also, I covered in the last video, and now today we will continue about the what use of this electronic configuration of molecular orbitals. So, for nitrogen and oxygen, I written here nitrogen series how to write molecular orbitals, but in this pi 2px, pi 2py and sigma 2pz. Compare the energies. Energy of sigma 2pz higher than energy of pi 2px, pi 2py in case of nitrogen. But in oxygen, sigma 2pz energy lower than pi 2px, pi 2py. This is the main difference between N2 type and O2 type. If you remember these two, what formula is like this, then you can solve many questions, whatever asked in the previous year papers. You can refer any NEET or CET paper. By referring this one, we can answer those questions. Even bond order formula, bond order equal to 1 by 2 NB minus NE or NB minus NE, like this also we can write. Number of electrons in the BMO, electrons in the ABMO. Then BMO less energy and ABMO higher energy. Now consider O2 molecule and one O. Atom number 8 electron. Therefore, this O2 contains 16 electrons. And write electronic configuration of what O2. For oxygen, yes, for oxygen, this one, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px1, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, pi star 2px1, pi star 2py1. Because you have to distribute 16 electrons 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. And distribution of electrons followed according to what? Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule, and n plus l OS sum rule. All the what rules are applied. And each orbital can hold only 2 electrons. Each orbital can hold 2 electrons. And here, last, these two have equal energy. Hence, you have to introduce first 1 electron in each what orbital. Then, using this, yes, we can calculate bond order. 1 by 2. In case of oxygen, yes, number of bonding electrons without star. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orbitals containing 2 electrons, therefore number of bonding electrons equal to 10. Which in case of oxygen, NB equal to 10. Next, Na, there is NT bonding star 2, 4, 5, 6. So better remember oxygen and derivatives. Other examples we can write very easily. First oxygen. Then 10 minus 6, 4 by 2, 2. Therefore, we get bond order of oxygen is 2. Hence, we can write oxygen formula. O double bond, because bond order indicates number of covalent bonds between 2 atoms in a molecule. This is for O2 molecule I told you. Bond order of O2. Then similarly, bond order for different species using again oxygen. O2 plus O2 minus O2 double minus or O2 2 minus. So calculate bond order for all these. Now, but anyway, first you write for oxygen this atomic configuration and find O2. Its bond order found to be 2. Bond order equal to 2. This one. For O2 molecule 2. O2 plus But when we get O2 plus by removing electron or adding electron. So answer by removing electron, yes, we get plus. Then remove electron from this. But electron can be removed or added only from the high energy, not the lower energies. That highest energy here, pi star to px, pi star to py, and remove one electron from pi star. Now this is the electron configuration for O2 plus. This electron, one electron removed from NT bonding. Therefore, number of bonding electrons same 10 minus one electron removed means 2, 4, 5 electron. Then 10 minus 5 by 2, 2.5. Therefore, O2 plus bond order found to be 2.5. The same method we follow for O2 minus. Okay, first we are taking O2 electron configuration. O2, yes, this is O2. O2 minus, when we get O2 minus, by adding electron we get O2 minus. So again, the electron added at pi star. One electron added. Pi star to px2, pi star to py1. Therefore, one electron added. But before that, yes, for O2 it is 10 minus 6. O2 10 minus 6 and O2 minus plus 1 electron. But electron added to NT bonding molecule. Therefore, here you write 1 electron extra. Then 10 minus 7, 3 by 2, 1.5 means bond order may be positive, negative, 0 or fraction, even fraction. This is 1.5. O2 minus 1.5. Then O2 double minus, see here, this is for O2 minus. O2 double minus one more electron added to the NT bonding molecule. Therefore, again here 7 become 8. But method is same for O2 minus, O2 double minus. First you write O2 electron configuration, then electron added or removed from pi star here in case of oxygen. Now last O2 double minus, see here, double minus 10 minus 8, 2 by 2, 1. We get 1. This type calculate bond order of any species, maybe O2, N2, Li2, Ca2, etc. Then using these bond order values, now we can study bond order, order, increasing order, decreasing order, then bond energy and bond length. Bond energy, bond length. Then arrange these O2 plus, O2 minus, O2 double minus in the increasing order of their bond order. Okay, increasing order means lowest 1, highest 2.5, 2, 1, 1.5, 2 means 1 O2 double minus 1.5 O2 minus O2. Yes, here written which one? Increasing order of the bond order for O2 plus, O2 minus, O2 double minus. Next, another question. I explained about bond order, how to arrange. This is the order with respect to increasing bond order. Then bond energy. Bond order and bond energy, they are directly proportional, therefore same. Lower the bond order, lower the bond energy. Therefore, bond order and bond energy order is same. This is increasing order. Less than means increasing order. If you are greater than, that there is called decreasing order. Okay. Bond energy. Then bond length and bond order, they are inversely proportional. If bond order is more, bond length is less. Therefore, least bond length in case of O2 plus. Then O2 plus less than O2 less than O2 minus less than O2 double minus 2.5 to 1.5 1. Right. If bond order is highest, bond length is lowest. Therefore, bond energy, bond length, number of covalent bonds or bond order. So all these we can decide based on the bond order formula and electronic configuration of oxygen molecule and nitrogen molecule. So this is with respect to O2. Then similarly, other examples. Then for nitrogen system, N2 system, again same type. Now consider this N2, N, 7, 7. Therefore, 14 electron system. Now distribute 14 electrons in the orbitals for N2 system. Therefore, in case of N2 system, pi 2px, pi 2p first, then sigma 2pz. Then sigma 2pz. And then for first one, 14 electron system, two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right, up to sigma 2pz2, you write, because number of electrons 14, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and find the bond order 1 by 2 NB is without star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's even in nitrogen case, bonding electrons equal to 10. Then Na, number of antibonding electrons 2, 4. Here no electron, hence 4. 10 minus 4, 6, 6 by 2, 3. Therefore, we can write N triple bond N. Nitrogen, we can write N triple bond N. Its bond order is 3. And bond order indicate number of covalent bonds within the two electronegative atoms in a molecule. This is for N2 molecule, electronic configuration and bond order. Next, using bond order, yes, we can compare again N2 plus, N2 minus, N2 plus, N2 minus. N2 value, see here, N2 value 3 and N2 plus, see here, electron removed from sigma 2pz or sigma star 2s2. Yes, I told you, electrons are removed always from highest energy level. Yes, highest energy level for these 14 electron system sigma 2pz. Therefore, one electron removed from sigma 2pz. Therefore, for N2 plus, yes, very important, for N2 plus, remove electron from bonding. Therefore, electron removed from what? Sigma 2pz2 means BMO, not ABMO. Therefore, one electron reduced in BMO. Then 9 minus 4, 5 by 2, 2.5. In case of N2 plus 2.5, N2 3. Then N2 minus, again same. See here, one electron removed in case of N2 plus. N2 plus electron removed and N2 like this. Then N2 minus electron added here. Electron added to higher energy level. Here we cannot add because each orbital can hold only 2 electrons. Then N2 minus, yes, number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbital 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Antibonding 2, 4, 5. 10 minus 5, 5 by 2, 2.5. Therefore, bond energy of N2 plus N2 minus both are equal. Bond length also equal, because bond energy depend upon bond order. If bond orders are same, bond lengths are equal, bond energies are equal. Then highest bond order N2. Therefore, most stable, stability of the species N2 more stable than N2 plus and N2 minus. And if you N2 double minus, N2 minus minus, double minus, one electron extra here, 10 minus 6, 4 by 2, 2. Yes, lowest number. Lowest number, highest number. So this shows the bond order is least. Bond order is least. Bond length is highest. Therefore, N2 minus bond length is highest. Stability. Bond order is least stable. Bond order is most stable. This is a stability order and bond length order. So highest bond length N2, least bond length N2 double minus. Bond order lowest, bond length bond order lowest, bond length highest. This one highest. N2 minus bond length is highest. This is the order for what? Bond order and bond energy. Bond order, bond energy, but bond length order different. Yes, this is bond length order, least bond length and highest bond length, because bond order is least, bond length is maximum. Lower the bond order, higher the bond length. This is in case of nitrogen. Wait 1 minute. O2, N2, then similarly C2, Li2, CO, etc. Even yesterday I covered hydrogen plus, hydrogen minus, and He2 plus, and He2 double plus, etc. And this comes under what? Homonuclear system. And if it is a heteronuclear system, what happens? Heteronuclear. Consider CO. They will put heteronuclear. Carbon 6 electron, oxygen 8 electron. This is a 14 electron system. And if it is 14 electron system, then definitely we get bond order 3. Therefore, it is C triple bond O. C triple bond, because bond order found to be what? 3. Now 14 electron system, 14 like this, right up to this, and 10 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4, 6 by 2, 3, this one, this formula, and we get bond order 3. Hence we can write C triple bond CO formula is. Next, in case of NO, N7, O 8, 15, as I told, it may be 14 or 15 system. Below 16, see here, below 16 follow this method, above 16 or 16 this method. Okay, so for 15 same method, up to this 14, 15 means pi star 1, therefore 10 minus 1 electron more, 2, 4, 5, 10 minus 5, 5 by 2, 2.5, therefore 3, 2.5, NO plus, yes, 7 plus 8, 15, remove an electron, then 14 electron system, but don't think it is like CO, no, NO plus 14 electron system, but see here, number of electrons in bonding 10, and total electrons in NO. First actually write NO, this one, 15 electrons, this one, and 14 in the system, 14 electron removed from pi star, that is called what? NO plus. Then NO plus bond order, same, we get answer 3. But NO plus bond order 3, CO is 3. Then actually, which is more stable? NO plus or CO? So answer CO more stable. Then what NO plus? Because in case of CO, sigma 2 is 2, here also same. But because of charge on the what NO plus, it is more reactive. So if it is a heteronuclear system, we can write this type. If it is CN, carbon, nitrogen, 6 plus 7, 13. CN minus 6 plus 7 plus 1, 14. And even paramagnetic diamagnetic also we can say. If electron is unpaired, if a molecule contains unpaired electron, it is called a paramagnetic. And O2, here 1, it is called means unpaired electron in the anti-bonding molecular orbital, therefore it is called paramagnetic. O2 plus, remove this electron, O2 plus paramagnetic, O2 double plus diamagnetic, and O2 minus paramagnetic, O2 2 minus diamagnetic. Means even magnetic property also we can explain based on the molecular orbital theory, MOT, molecular orbital theory. And even in MOT, psi and psi square. So these are used. Psi indicate a wave function of molecular orbital, and the psi square probability of finding electron density in molecular orbital, probability of finding electron density in molecular orbital, that is called psi square. Then psi AB equal to psi A plus psi B. Psi AB, psi star AB equal to psi A minus psi B. Now only these are allowed. If wave functions added, then we get BMO. Wave functions subtracted, and we get ABMO, antibody molecular orbital. But N2 are divided by not allowed. Only these are possible in case of molecular orbital BMO and ABMO. BMO and ABMO. So forward charge and number of electron orbital, I'll explain after a few minutes.